Alright guys, so this is what's going on right now. I just made it to the bike group, the little bike path, and we're gonna activate all the phones right now. Hold on, give me a second. Just found a nice little convenient spot to stop. We're in the bike route. Everybody's enjoying the beautiful day. Everybody's outside doing what they gotta do. Let's activate phone 1. Take the home base out because now we're traveling. Off. So this phone is on and active. We are gonna collect that parachute. That's a geo claim. Let's get it. Auto explore because we about to travel the bike path, bike trails, whatever you want to call it. So these two phones are now activated. They're ready to geo mine, get crypto coins as we in motion. You guys can use this app to work out, to do all kind of different little nifty, little crafty little things. Tap here, tap here. And then obviously this phone that I'm filming on right now, we're gonna do the same thing you guys seen on the other phone. We're gonna activate this phone too.